Hello all, I am Jayesh from Laser Technologies, and in this particular video we are going to see our laser spot welding machine. So this machine is mostly used for the welding of stiffeners in MS and SS materials. So let's have a demo of this. Here we are conducting a demo on the 0.6 mm MS and 0.5 mm MS sheet, which will be as a stiffener. So as you can see, in this we have welded this part, and this is the back side. As you can see, there is no impression even on the sheet thickness of 0.6 mm welding. So to check the strength, we can pull it. Now we will be taking trials on this 0.5 mm MS stiffener and this 0.7 mm of the front panel. So as you saw, it is so effortless to weld. Normally, we use resistance welding machines for this particular application, in where we normally get dents on the back side of the part, which then needs an extensive rework like the grinding and buffing. Even after that, the finish is not really as per the normal part. So in this particular machine, you can definitely eliminate the rework and the labor involved in that particular thing. So do let us know if you have inquiries for the same. Thank you.